Are you maximizing your ads on Facebook? Hey guys, it's Dan back with another Daily Dose. I'm in our studio here. I got Tyler next to me. You can see the lights. So very exciting stuff. There we go. Got our new hats here too. You can see the Hyperfast agent hats. Those just came in. So pretty cool. But today we're filming a part of our Facebook course. And we're going to go over things like how to use pixels, how to use custom audiences. And these are things that if you're not doing, you need to be. Now, they'll be in our course, so you can check out the Facebook course, check out some of our other courses as well. But what pixels allow you to do on Facebook, it allows you to track, who's visiting your ads, who's visiting your site, and then you can use Facebook to retarget them, to give them more specific ads. It allows you to track, how when you do a video ad, like percentage of people that watched a certain amount, and then you can retarget them. We're also going to be going over custom audiences. So this is actually like uploading your list that you already have. So you could upload your, a list of emails of all your past clients into Facebook, and it will put like your referral ads in front of them. If you have leads that have been in your system, buyer leads or seller leads, you can upload them and put direct ads to just that audience. So there's some really cool things you can do with Facebook, and if you're not maximizing, your reach on there, not implementing these techniques, you need to get this course or find out how to do it and implement it. Because we've been doing it for a while in our business, and we've really ramped it up recently, and the leads have just been flowing in. They convert better than our previous online sources. They're cheaper, and it can take your business to the next level. If you're not doing it, somebody that is going to get more market share than you. So if you haven't subscribed to this, subscribe, turn on notifications, because I want you to get all the latest and greatest updates, and I hope you have an amazing day.